South Africa will end being ruled by Muslim people. Islam will spread its wings over South Africa. The country of Lesotho will lose its...
Attack our South Africa because they want Cape independence.
I am from South Africa. If you are watching this video, it means I have been kidnapped by the IOF and taken to Israel.
Palestine! Free, free! Palestine! Free, free! Palestine! Free, free! Palestine! From the river to the sea! Palestine! From the river to the sea! Palestine!
Hey man, on PCE man, welcome to another video man. It's your boy Twadi Wasabi man. So apparently Israel is planning to attack South Africa man. Israel is planning to invade our home man, you feel me? So I don't know guys, if like you guys are gonna agree with me here, but you feel me? Speculations are online, you feel me? Political critics have been saying this. I don't know, like from the beginning of the year, ever since South Africa started, supporting Palestine. And we all know Palestinians are official ops, man, you feel me, to Israelis, man. And Israelis are dangerous people, we all know this. So basically the war between the Palestinians and the Israelis dates back from the 20th century. Back when Zionist was still a thing, man, you feel me? Back when Christianity was being imposed as the main ethnic religion, man, you feel me? So on 7 October 2023, the world witnessed a devastating attack on the Gaza Strip in search of a Palestinian military group called Hamas. So basically Hamas is the group that really started this beef again, you feel me, from scratch, man. I don't know why. What's wrong with your Hamas, man? So basically Hamas decided to go and attack the Israelis, man, attack Israel. And then the destruction of Gaza was seen as a retaliation from the Israelis, you feel me? So basically the goal of the Arabs has always been to block the establishment of a Jewish state, you feel me, in Palestine and Israel from the 20th century. So basically these people are still fighting for the same things from the Bible, man, you feel me. We don't even know whether the Bible is true or what, but I don't know, but I'm not here to judge. So basically the attack on Gaza was literally to find, attack and destroy Hamas, you feel me? The Hamas, which was regarded at that time a terrorist group. We don't know whether it is a terrorist group, because in Palestine they call it a military group, and in Israel they call it a terrorist group who kidnapped, you feel me, thousands of Israelis and taken them to Palestine for labor camp. So the attack on Gaza was literally to free all the captives and destroy Hamas. As Ntate Credo Motwa prophesied a long time ago, speculations is that the same dangerous Israel is now coming for us, man. Imagine. Because apparently, man, South Africa has been part of the conflict, because you feel me, a plane carrying about 150 Palestinians landed in South Africa, and they were allowed, you feel me, as refugees in South Africa, even though they were undocumented. And then another plane later landed, man, you feel me. So literally Israel takes us as their ops, man, like we're supporting their enemies. So I feel like, yeah, man, if like a war do come, I'm not saying there will be a war, I'm just saying. Speculations is that, you feel me, Israel threatens to attack South Africa for helping what their worst enemy, man,
has
you feel me, their number one
Zambia
op, man.
and Lesotho through drones. Now they are planning to use those drones to attack our South Africa because they want Cape independence, because there is estimated 1.4 million Israeli has relocated into South Africa, especially Western Cape.
My name is Zahira Sumar. I am from South Africa. If you are watching this video, it means I have been kidnapped by the IOF and taken to Israel against my will. Please contact the South African government. Please put pressure on them to bring us home, end the genocide. This needs to stop.
Cape Town turned into Israeli township right now. George became Israeli township. Naizna became Israeli township. We, as the Truth and Solidarity Movement, we are calling Lesotho and Zambia. You dare to sell Africa to Israel, and you dare to attack our South Africa. You will face us. You will face us. We, 65 million South African, we will defend this country with our life on the table.